Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIAVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is Assignment 1 Part 1. I repeat, Assignment 1 Part 1. Our today's lecture number is 47. Okay. In this topic, we will discuss how to write down an assignment and how to submit it. Okay. First of all, I'm going to tell you that assignment has some top page and in the behind page. In the top page, you have already well known about the top page. Already you have given from the school a demo of the top page. I am telling you the demo. You can use the top page as your assignment top page also. But if you make your assignment by yourself, then it will be better for you. First of all, in the top page you should write down the assignment number. Assignment number will be 1. Okay, then you should write down the subject. The subject is mathematics, and the topic, you should write down the topic of the first assignment of mathematics. Our topic will be chapter 1 and chapter 2 creative questions. I repeat, the topic will be chapter 1 and chapter 2 creative questions. Please don't write the CQ only. CQ is the short form of creative questions. You should write down creative questions. Okay. Then you should write down your name, your class, your section, etc. in the top page. After that, you can write down the index in the next page. In the next page, you can write down the index. How you can write down the index? Look, this, suppose this is the page after the top page. Okay. You can write down the index in the next page. You should write down index in the top. Okay. Then there will be 3 columns. There will be 3 columns. First column will be serial number. Second column will be topic. And third column will be page number. Okay. Like this. Okay. You have to arrange it. Then you should write down the serial number, the topic. The topic, our topic in the front, that means the top page, our topic was first chapter and second chapter, chapter 1 and chapter 2 creative questions, and you have to solve 3 creative questions in this assignment. So it will be question number 1. I am writing in the short way. You should write down question number 1 in full form. Okay. Then serial number 2, it's question number 2. And serial number 3, question number 3, and so on. You can write down. After that, after the index, you should solve the 3 questions of the topic. Okay. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. From when you solution of this, when you write down the solution of this, you should pick up the questions also. You should pick up the questions also. That means in the next page, suppose this is the next page. Okay. And you will give the page number. You can give the page number in the bottom or in the top. Okay. In the right side, you can write down here. Okay. The page number. This is the page number 1. Okay. Write down the question number 1, and you should write down. That means you should pick up the question here. Okay. You should pick up the question here. Then you can write down solution. You can write down solution, or you can write down answer to the question number 1, as like you write down in the answer paper in the exam. Okay. You can write down solution, or you can write down answer to the question number 1. Then you will solve this question number 1. Okay. Suppose you need 3 or 4 pages. After that page, you need, suppose, another 3 pages. That means this is page 2, page 3, page 4, and this is the end of this question 1. Then you will start question number 2 in the 5 page number 5. So it will be question number 2, and you will write down the question again and solution of this. Okay. So in the index, the page should be write down as question number 1 is used to page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. So you can write down page 1 to 4 for question number 1. And for question number 2, suppose you use only 2 pages, page 5 and page 6. So you can write down page number 5 to 6, and like this you can fill up the index. Okay, index is a very decorable thing. I think so. You can write down the index, and you must not do any kind of rub on your assignment paper. That means your assignment paper must be neat and clean. You should keep your assignment paper neat and clean. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about the question number 1. Okay, how you can solve the question number 1. I will discuss now. So question number 1 is 12, 15, 20, 35 are 4 numbers. Okay. Activity A is find the LCM of the given numbers. You have to find out the LCM of the given numbers. Okay. Solution of A, no need to discuss. I think so. No need to discuss about question A, because you are well known how to find out the LCM. Okay, there are 4 numbers. You have to find out the LCM here. Okay. Then activity B, what is the least number of 5 digits which is divided by the given 4 numbers? We have to find out a number which is 5 digits number, and that number will be smallest. Okay, and that number must be divisible by 4 numbers: 12, 15, 20 and 35. Okay. In activity A, we already find out the LCM. We already have find out the LCM, and LCM is a divisible. LCM is divisible by the 4 numbers is given. Okay. The LCM is find out already in activity A. In activity A, we already done this. And activity B, in activity B, we have to find out a number which is the least number of 5 digit. So least number of 5 digit is how much? It is nothing but 1 and tetrahedron 0. That means 10,000. 10,000 is the number, is the smallest number of 5 digit. Okay. Then to find out the smallest number of 5 digit which is divisible by all the 4 numbers, we have to divide this 10,000 by the LCM, which is find out already in activity A. Okay. By this LCM, we have to divide this 10,000. We will get a quotient here and we will get a remainder here, right? When we divide this 10,000 by the LCM, we will get some quotient and we will get some remainder, right? After that, we have to subtract. We have to subtract this remainder. We have to subtract this remainder from this smallest number of 5 digit. That means from 10,000. We have to subtract this remainder from 10,000. We will get a number, and that number must be divisible by the 4 numbers. But this number is not a 5 digit number. This number will be a 4 digit number. So what should we do? We will get a number. Okay. Suppose this number may be x. Okay. This number is divisible by all the 4 numbers, but we need the 5 digit number. That is why we will add with x the LCM. We will add again the LCM with the x. We find out already. So we will get a number, and that number will be a 5 digit number. That number will be a 5 digits number. I don't know which number is that. That number will be a 5 digit number. Okay. Suppose these are digits. Okay. These are not zeros. These are digits. So this 5 digit number will be our answer, because this 5 digit number must be divisible by all the 4 numbers. That means this number can be divisible by 12, by 15, by 20 and by 35. I think you have understood. To find out this 5 digit smallest number, first of all, write down the 5 digit smallest number, which is 10,000. Then divide these by the LCM. We will get quotient and remainder. This remainder have to be subtracted from the 5 digit smallest number. We will get a number x, suppose x. Okay. This x will be added with the LCM. Then we will get the required number. I think you have understood. Dear students, next solution of C is needed. Now activity C says that what is the greatest number of 4 digits which will be divided by the given 4 numbers with 10 as remainder in each case. Look at this, 10 as remainder in each case. To understand this one, first of all understand this. Okay, suppose 4, 6 and 12. Suppose 4, 6 and 12 are some numbers. Okay, we have to find a number. When we divide that number, we have to find a number x. When we divide this x by 4 or by 6 or by 12, then we have to get 3 as remainder. Then what is the value of x? How can we find out the value of x? Okay, to do that, we have to find out the LCM of these three numbers. The three numbers LCM will be what? Okay, find out the LCM first. It will be 6. Now it will be 2, 1, 3. It's 3. Now 3, it's 1, 1, 1. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. That means the LCM of 4, 6 and 12 is nothing but 12. The LCM of this three number is 12. That means when we divide 12 by 4, we will get remainder as 0. When we divide 12 by 6, we will get remainder as 0. And when we divide 12 by 12, we will get remainder as 0. But we need the remainder as 3. That is why add 3 with this number. Then we will get 15. Now look, 15 is the required number. When we divide 15 by 4, we will get 3 as remainder. When we divide 15 by 6, we will get 3 as remainder. And when we divide 15 by 12, we will get 3 as remainder. And so we can show that. Also. 3 4s are 12 and remainder is 3. Okay. When we divide 15 by 6, we will get 6 2s are 12 and it will be 3 as remainder. Also, when we divide 15 by 12, we will get 12 1s are 12, it will be 3. So in the both cases, all of the cases, remainder are 3. So to find out that number, we have to find out the LCM and we will add this remainder, okay, which we need to as a remainder. That number will be added. Now look at this question. This question, the remainder is needed as 10 in each case, okay. And in activity A, we have already find out the LCM, right? From A, we get already the LCM. Something is LCM. We have find out already, okay? And we have to find out a number which is greatest number of 4 digit, okay? And that number, when we divide that number by all of these, we will get 10 as remainder. To find out this number, the greatest number of 4 digit is what? 4 9s. That means 10 to 9 will be the greatest number of 4 digit. It is nothing but 9,999 is the greatest number of 4 digit. Okay. To find out that number, we have to divide this greatest number by the LCM again. LCM as activity B. Okay. Then we will get some quotient and we will get a number as remainder. Okay. We will get some number as quotient and some number as remainder. Now, when we subtract this remainder from the greatest number of 4 digit, we will get a number. And this number must be divisible by all the numbers. That means this number 9,999 minus the remainder is divisible by 12, 15, 20 and 35. This number must be divisible by 12, 15, 20 and 35. But we need a number, which number, when we divide that number, we will get 10 as remainder. But this number is divisible. That is why our required number will be nothing but 9,999 minus R will be added with the will be added with 10. Okay, because we need 10 as remainder, that is why we add this number with 10. It will be our required number. I think you have understood. Now again I am telling you that to find out that number of 4 digit greatest number, first of all write down the 4 digit greatest number. It is 9,999. Now we have to find out the greatest number of 4 digit, and that number, when we divide that number, we will get 10 as remainder. That is why first of all we will divide this number by the LCM, okay, of activity A. Then we will get remainder and quotient. Remainder is a number here, and we have to subtract this remainder from the greatest 4-digit number. Then we will get a number. That number must be added with 10. Then our required number will be here, and this number will be our answer. Okay, I think you have understood. Dear students, in the next class I will discuss the question number 2 and question number 3, inshallah. Keep practicing more and more at home. If you have any problem, then you can contact with me, and you can contact with Imdad sir also. So see you again, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.